Grade 7, Chapter 1, Photoshop, Lesson 5. The duration of this lesson is for one period. The objectives are to discover the layers, how to select a layer, and how to move a layer. Maybe this is one of the most important and amazing lesson students will discover once they have to start with editing pictures and creating a montage. That's why you have to understand, to make them understand very well this layer. So we'll start by showing them that when we open a picture, we have to go through window layers or F7. Okay, and here we have the layers opened. As you can see, it is formed of one layer, and if you have to explain them the definition of a layer, it's like a wallpaper, transparent, that will hold the picture, that we cannot see. It's transparent. The main idea of Photoshop, you have to tell them that each time you place on the picture a copied picture, it will be placed on a new layer in order to be flexible to copy it and to move it, to resize it, and after if you want to delete it. And that's why always tell your students that the moment you open a picture collected from internet or taken from your mobile phone, it is formed of one layer called background, and as you can see, it is locked. Now I have two pictures here, so if I go through this picture and I let's say select this part of the picture, of course I can click on Ctrl C to copy it, and as you can see here, the picture also is on one layer and it's locked, but I click on Ctrl C to copy it. If I go through the second picture and I place Ctrl C, look how the picture is placed on the second picture, and now I have another layer. So in order to move this layer, I have to click on the move tool. I can move it. I can place it whenever I want on my document. I can press on Ctrl T to modify it, and as you can see all around the picture I have small squares, so I can move, but as you can see I cannot respect the proportionality of this picture since I'm moving it freely. That's why I press escape. Again I press Ctrl T, I press and hold the shift key, and then I can move it and the proportion of this picture will remain the same. So once done, I press on enter to fix it, and then I can move it. Of course I can rename my layer, let's say blue, enter, and if you want to delete it from down, I will show you. Here down you have the bucket, the delete button to delete the layer. So more important than how to manipulate the layers, students must understand why I have to manipulate the layers, because it's for the montage and for the editing of the picture. So back to the book. As you can see here, and as we said, once you open, it's an introduction. Once you open the any picture, from the right from the panel on the right, click on layers or go to Windows layer, examine the unique layer created, it's named background. Okay, once you place a new layer, the car, it's on another layer. You can click on the move tool to move it, and of course it's a reminder here that Ctrl Alt Z it's to cancel an image, Ctrl A is to select the entire image, and Control D is to deselect or to remove the selection. Then I go through the revision sheet. Photoshop is used to edit images, yes. It's possible to open many pictures, yes. To zoom in, Control minus, it's wrong. The centimeter unit is used to image to be PowerPoint false. Not the centimeter is used to printed documents, of course, yes. The Canva is the tool to change the color, it's false. The crop tool is used to redefine the size of an image, it's true. And then after we go through a project 6, sorry, create a new document, width and height, resolution, open 4 images, crop them to 500 pixel by 500 pixel, and place them on the created document as shown below. So as you can see, you will place them and you can discover that they are on 4 layers. So by this we will end this lesson in Photoshop. It's the 5th lesson. It's very important to make them practice and back again and create this questionnaire between you and the students in order to make them understand very well this manipulation.